Okay, just a quick little video here today. We're replacing a power steering line on a Spartan chassis, and as you can see, this line goes up through that bundle there and eventually pops out here. Is there any real way to easily get the new line in place without tearing apart this bundle? I think there's one way. Okay, so we're doing this power steering line, as I just said. We have to get this line through this bundle of harnesses and hoses and all that other gibberish. You could take the time to undo all the zip ties and the brackets and all that, but I was taught a little trick a while back, and it works pretty good. Normally, if you had a joiner, a JIC joiner here is the right way to do it. We don't happen to have one here today, so my coworker made up a bolt. It just screws in one end of the hose. Screw in this end of the hose, and that connects the old hose to the new hose. Now we're just going to pull it through. All I'm doing is pulling on the top of the old hose and feeding the new one through. Just as fast as that, we've got our old hose removed, and I'll just disconnect the bolt that we made up there for it. So there's our old hose out, and our new one is exactly where it needs to be. So just a quick tip for you guys today, it works pretty well. Hopefully it'll save you some time.